Okay, y'all stay behind Dad, please. Okay, y'all guys go back. Okay, shut the door behind you so Lily go.
No. Shut the door behind you.
Clara. Hey, you see bunny rabbits?
Oh, it's wet right here.
Oh, it sure is. Oh, we gotta hear that the whole time.
Where are they?
Lily fussing.
Oh, they're moving.
Yeah.
See it moving?
What's... Okay, don't step on them. Dad, who's going to do it?
I don't know, who wants to touch him?
I do.
What is that?
What?
Here's this thing right here. It's not a snake, is it?
It's not a snake.
No. Okay, hang on, let me find it. Okay,
It's right there.
go ahead. Gentle now.
Oh, no, you have to be real gentle, honey.
I was really good.
Wow. There they are.
Can I touch it?
No, not yet.
Tell me when. Daddy, can I help you? Just tell me when I can do it.
Alright, go ahead. Reach
There's
down there
one
and
right
touch
there.
one.
Oh,
There's salt?
Oh, don't you pick it up, honey.
Why can't I pick it up?
Sure, pick it up.
No, don't pick it up.
Yeah, Daddy said I can.
Well, pick it up. Oh, wait, I'm going to get a picture. Hang
Guys,
on.
hang on.
I didn't touch
Okay,
it.
hang on, stop.